Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on Big Green. The right turn signal does not return, so we're going to fix that, and we're also going to change the turn signal lever. A little rusty and wore out. I got this new one here we're going to put on, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get this off. And then there's a clip in here. Take that off. There's 3 Phillips heads in here. I have never actually done this before, so let's hope we get everything back together the right way. That must be a piece for the horn. Assuming it goes in there. Not this one. Okay. Now, see what size this is. It's not a 3/4. 13/16. Just going to take that horn button out. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is set up this wheel puller. Okay, popped off pretty easy. Take this out. Here it is. One wheel. Not sure how that pops out. Okay, there's a clip there. Just a little retaining clip. It should pop off of there. Okay. So try and get you a better look. Right here is the spring for the left turn signal, and right here should be the spring for the left. I'm sorry, the right. And actually right there it is. So put this back in here like that. Let's bring that up around there. And it's back in. Okay. And like I said, now that we're in here, we're going to update the turn signal lever. All pitted and not so nice. Alright, there's that. Get the new one out. Just making sure these are all in there good. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can put this back together. Okay, see if we can get this wheel on. Very carefully. Okay, got the nut back on, see if we can tighten it down. Okay, this. Need our, actually let's take that off and put this button in first. A little more room to work. Goes this way. Maybe it does go the other way. Put our clip back on. And put our screws back in. cover. Okay guys, we got it all back together. All right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a good day.